Cleopatra ascended to the throne of Egypt at a time when the nation was engulfed in political turmoil and the looming shadow of Roman interference. Her reign began with a struggle for power against her own siblings, each vying for control of the throne. Amidst this internal chaos, Rome's influence was ever present, with the empire seeking to extend its reach into Egypt's rich lands and resources. In a bold and calculated move, Cleopatra formed a strategic alliance with Julius Caesar, one of Rome's most powerful figures. This alliance was not merely political, it was personal, as Cleopatra and Caesar became lovers, solidifying her position and influence. Through this partnership, Cleopatra managed to secure her throne and expand her influence beyond Egypt's borders, showcasing her ability to maneuver through complex political landscapes. Cleopatra's journey through Roman politics was fraught with danger and intrigue, as she skillfully balanced the interests of multiple powerful factions. She understood the delicate nature of Roman politics and used her wit and charm to navigate these treacherous waters. Her ability to maintain her position amidst the shifting allegiances and power struggles of Rome was a testament to her strategic brilliance. Her encounter with Mark Antony marked another pivotal chapter in her life, as she captivated him with her intelligence and charisma. Their relationship blossomed into a formidable personal and political partnership that posed a significant challenge to Rome's authority. Together, they sought to create a new power dynamic, one that threatened the very foundations of Roman control. Despite the growing dominance of Rome, Cleopatra's clever diplomacy and resource management kept Egypt independent for a time. She leveraged Egypt's wealth and strategic location to negotiate favorable terms with Rome, ensuring her nation's sovereignty. Her ability to maintain Egypt's independence in the face of such overwhelming odds was a remarkable achievement. Ultimately, Cleopatra faced defeat, but her legacy as a brilliant strategist and ruler endures through the ages. Her life and reign have been immortalized in history as a testament to her intelligence, courage, and indomitable spirit. Cleopatra remains a symbol of resilience and ingenuity, her story inspiring generations to come.